Hey guys, in this video we want to show you how to use a couple other features that are built into AI signals besides just the buy and sell signals to get you in and out of trades earlier. And what you want to do is you want to look for two things. One is the overbought area up here indicated by this red channel balance indicator, and the bottom is this green area, and that signifies oversold conditions. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use the EMA energy feature, which is built in here along with the other ones. And then you're going to want to look for it to turn from red to green and green to red, obviously. So as we are in the middle of the sell signal and we travel down into this oversold area indicated by the green channel balance indicator, you'll see the red EMA energy ribbon turn to green, and also parabolic SAR turns green too. So you could have gotten in right in this area here and you would have beat out the buy signal actually by several days. And then vice versa, you get up into this overbought area and you'll see we go from green to red, parabolic SAR comes in, turns to red, and you're beating out the sell signal again, so you're getting in early. Then you can decide if you want to take profits as it changes from red to green again, or you can ride it all the way down until the next buy area. But again, you look for it to get into these overbought or oversold conditions. In this case, oversold again, and then it switches from red to green, parabolic SAR, go back up, etc. So you can actually use the other features of the script besides the buy and sell indicators to get better trades, get better entries, get better exits, and you don't have to solely rely on the buy and sells. We use the buy and sells so that it's very clear and simple so that you can say, okay, buy, and okay, sell. And we try to make that kind of as clear and easy as possible so that everyone can kind of get a handle on exactly what's going on with whatever asset it is that they're monitoring and on what time frame. But as you start to get more advanced and you're using the script more often, you might want to be able to get in earlier and take profits earlier, and you might want to be able to sell faster, etc. So that's a way that you can use the software and the other features and not just rely on the buy and sell signals to get the best possible entries and exits. If you have any questions, please email us. Thanks.